short talk just to summarize what we took in our face-to-face, which is moving to design. As you know, when we move to design, we have 3 strategies that we must use. Okay? The first strategy is custom development, which is developing from zero, or you have a package system that you could use, or you could outsource. In regard of how or what are the factors to choose which strategy, is what you do, you have a business need, these factors in-house, experience, project skill and project management, and time frame. These 5 factors will be mixed in regard of which strategy you will choose. So, in regard of custom development, for example, if you want to start developing everything from zero, the business need must be unique. So there is no packages or no other things to do. Plus, you must have experience, existent experience, technical experience. Your skills, there must be in-house skills, so your skills must be high. Also, your project manager should be highly skilled, and you must use a very good methodology. In regard of time, it must be flexible because you might go into problems that are unknown for you. In regard of using a package, okay, so you could use an open source or you could use a commercial package. You must sometimes need, the business need must be common. So all your functionalities that you want are common to your package. So what happens, for example, when you choose an ERP system, ERP systems usually are common between businesses. Okay, so you could use a package. You must have a functional experience regarding on how to use this package. Also, the skills in regard of project are not strategic. However, your project manager who can coordinate your vendors, so the people you are buying this package from, you must coordinate with them. In regard of time frame, usually you have a short time frame. Outsourcing, the business need is not core, so it's not a core business function. In-house functional technical experience does not exist, so you don't have any skills within your company. The decision to outsource is a strategic decision. So in regard of having a partnership with the outsourcer. The project is highly skilled. The project management must be highly skilled to see the scopes and to make sure that you manage the scopes. Time frame could be short or flexible. Okay, so when you choose an outsource, there are some guidelines in regard of when you choose an outsource. So when you choose an outsource, you must keep the lines of communication between you and the outsourcer open. Also, you must define and stabilize requirements. You must have a clear requirement. View your outsourcer relationship as a partnership, not as an employee and an employer relationship. You must choose your vendor, your developer, or your outsourcer carefully because you might have lower qualities and so on. Assign a person to manage this relationship. Make sure you have one point of contact between you and your outsourcer for you not to get confused or messing up things. Do not outsource what you don't understand. So the things that you don't understand, try not to outsource them. You must emphasize the flexible requirements. So your requirements sometimes must be flexible. You must have longer relationship and short-term contracts. There is something called alternative matrix. Alternative matrix is a way of deciding what to use, what strategy to use. Is it make, buy, or outsource? In regard of the alternative matrix is the same as the SWOT model, so strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. when you choose it, is the same as this. So you weight things down. So you have technical issues, for example, these criteria, and you weight things down. Okay, so your scores will be here to weight things down. So you have 1 as poor, 5 as perfect fit. If you have lower technical issues, you might outsource things, or you might have a package. And if you want to have a package, for example, alternative 3, which is a package, you could score it high or low, depending on your technical issues. You also have economical issues and organizational issues to think about. Okay? Any questions? Questions? Any questions? Can you hear me? Hello? Didn't you not hear me when I explained all of these things? Did you hear me when I explained all these things? Maybe there is a problem within your computer, Mr. Khalid. Okay, good. Do you have any questions regarding this? Regarding what I explained? Okay, then if you don't have any question, yes, read about it. You have the materials and you must get the book to read about this. This week's subject is a very easy subject. It's not that difficult. Okay, so if you don't have any questions, thank you for your time. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.